Okay, good morning, first PC students. Yesterday, yesterday, mathematical induction chapter is completed. Today, let us go to the new chapter, sixth chapter, linear inequalities. Linear is nothing but degree 1. Linear is nothing but degree 1. Inequality means equal. Inequality means inequality. Equal opposite unequal. Unequal andre a is equal to b. A is equal to b. X is equal to y. This is the equality. Inequality means x less than y, x greater than y, x greater than or equal to, less than or equal to. Equality means using the only single symbol equal to. Inequality means how many symbols are there? 4 symbols. Less than, greater than, less than or equal to, greater than or equal to. Okay. Numerical means numbers. Okay. So linear inequality means single degree inequalities. Okay. So first, inequality definition. What is the inequality? Two real numbers and minus 2 comma minus 3, two real numbers who are two algebraic expressions x, y. The algebraic expressions means x, y. Two numbers means only numbers. Expressions means algebraic expressions means x, y, x square. This one algebraic expressions related by the symbol. Related by the symbol less than. Less than is open to right side. Right side, this is left to right. Okay. Right side open means less than. Left side open means greater than. Less than or equal to. Less than or equal to. Anyone. Okay. Greater than or equal to. Greater than condition or equal to some condition. Any one of the equation, any one of the condition is satisfied. Form an inequality. Okay. What is the equality? For example, ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. This is the equation. Equation is equal to 0. In equation, ax plus by plus c is greater than 0. Inequality greater than 0, less than 0, greater than or equal to 0, less than or equal to 0. So any type of. Okay. Next, an example: 40 into x plus 20 into y less than 120. Same, less than or equal to 120, greater than 120. This is the linear inequality. Linear means x power 1 no, y power 1 no. So linear inequality in two variables. Two variables, degree 1 means linear. Inequality means less than or equal to, greater than. Okay. Next, numerical inequalities. Next one, numerical inequality. Numbers. Numerical means numbers. Number inequality. 3 less than 5. 7 greater than 3. This is true or false? It is nothing. Okay, true or false? 3 less than 5 correct. 7 greater than 3 correct. 3 greater than 7 wrong. The wrong or right is nothing, not important. This is symbol important. Okay. So literal inequality. Literal inequality means variable using the not two variable. Two numbers means numerical inequality. Literal inequality means one number, one variable. X less than, y greater than, less than or equal to, using one variable and a number variable. So double inequality. Double inequality means we have to use, you can use numbers or both numbers or numbers variables, anyone. But main important is double inequality means using the two inequalities. We go 2 less than 2 greater than 1 less than 1 greater than 1 greater than or equal to 1 less than or equal to, using two symbols. 3 less than 5 less than 7, 2 less than or equal to y less than 4. This is the double inequality. These are all single inequality. Double inequality means two symbols, less than, greater than symbol, you have to use 2. So strict inequality, strict means there is no loose. Strict means what? Less than or greater than. Less than or equal to means what? Less than condition satisfy agutade or equal to some condition also. Both conditions. So strict means any one, only one, greater than or less than. This strictly means only using the less than or greater than. Numbers, variables are. Because strictly numerical identity means only number. Strictly linear inequality means number variable. Different types, number of types. So strictly means what is the main point? Strictly means less than or greater than. Next, slack inequality. Slack inequality means equalities, less than or equal to, greater than or equal to, opposite the strictly inequality. Opposite, the strictly opposite means slack. Okay, strictly means only less than, greater than. Slack means reverse, less than or equal to or greater than or equal to. Less than or equal to or greater than or equal to. So linear inequality. Linear inequality means linear, degree 1 inequality. So ax plus b. Linear inequality, ax plus b. Less than 0, greater than or equal, less than or equal. This is not nothing. Linear means what? Degree 1. No. Okay. Linear inequality, single variable. Linear inequality, single variable means ax plus by, ax plus b, bx plus ay, x. So this one. Linear inequality in two variables. Linear inequality in two variables. Linear inequality two variables means two variables. Any you have to take any. Ax plus by less than or greater than is nothing, not important. Two variables means x, y or any, you have to take any two variables. Ax plus by, compulsory two variables. So linear inequality in one variable means less than, greater than any inequality, but single variable, any variable, single variable. So quadratic inequality in one variable. Quadratic means what? Degree 2. Quadratic means degree 2. Degree 2. Quadratic inequalities in one variable means ax square plus bx plus c less than or equal to 0, ax square plus bx plus c greater than 0, ax square plus bx plus c less than 0, ax square plus bx plus c greater than or equal to 0. Quadratic inequality in one variable. Linear inequality in one variable. Linear inequality in two variables. Okay. See your textbook page number 117. See your textbook page number 117. These all definitions are there. The total definitions given in the textbook only one para type. Okay. So read carefully. This is the different types of inequalities. What are they? Numerical inequalities, lateral inequalities, double inequalities, strict inequalities, slack, linear inequalities one variable, linear inequalities in two variable, quadratic inequations in one variable. Once again, what is the numerical inequalities? Numbers. You have to use number 2 less than 3 less than. What is the lateral inequalities? Lateral means one variable using the one variable x less than 5, y greater than 5 lateral. Double inequality. Double inequality we have to use two symbols. Less than, greater than. In 4 symbol you have to use any two symbols. Must be two symbols. Next, strict inequality. Strict is nothing but greater than or less than. So slack inequality means opposite the greater than, less than. Opposite the greater than, less than or equal to. Not greater than means less than or equal to. Not less than means greater than or equal to. So linear inequality in one variable means ax plus b, ax plus something. Linear inequality in two variables means using two variables, any two variables x, y, y, z or anything. Okay. So next quadratic inequalities in one variable. So this is read carefully. Okay, next go to the next one. Next rule number 1, no inequality. Rule number 1. What is the rule number 1? Equal numbers may be added to or subtracted. Adding, subtracting equal numbers. Adding, subtract both side of an equality. Both side of an inequality. Both side of an inequality without affecting the sign of inequality. The sign of inequality. Okay, listen. Equal numbers may be added to or subtracted both side of an inequality without affecting the sign of inequality. For example, x less than 2, for example, x less than 2, adding both sides with 2. Listen carefully, very important point. What is the meaning of rule number 1? X less than 2, adding to both sides. Okay, adding to both sides. So what is x plus 2 less than 2 plus 2 both sides. So x plus 2 less than 4. So adding or subtracting x less than 2. Okay, subtracting 2 both sides. X minus 2 less than 2 minus 2. So x minus 2 less than 0. Okay, next multiply inequalities. That equality, for example, x is equal to 2, adding to both sides. So x plus 2 is equal to 2 plus 2. X plus 4 is equal to x plus 2. X plus 2 is equal to 4. There is no change. Sign means what? Positive or negative. Sign without affecting the sign of inequality. Inequality both sides on the equal to equation inequality adding equal number ante right side left side same number. Right side left side same number ನೀವು adding ಮಾಡಿದ್ರಾ or subtracting ಮಾಡಿದ್ರಾ ಆ inequality sign does not change. Sign ಏನು change ಆಗಲ್ಲ. Sign means negative or positive. Negative positive ಆಗಲ್ಲ, positive negative ಆಗಲ್ಲ. Okay, so does not change without affecting the symbol of. Okay, so express equality or inequality adding subtracting equal number both side ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು ಕೂಡ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಸೈನ್ అనేది ಏನು ಚೇಂಜ್ ಆಗಿಲ್ಲ. ಸೈನ್ without affecting the sign of inequality. This is the rule number 1, adding subtracting. Okay, understand? Okay, equal, x is equal to 2, x plus 2 equal 2 plus 2, x plus 2 equal 4. There is no change. X less than 2, x plus 2 less than 2 plus 2, x plus less than 4. There is no change. Same as it is. Minus also same. This is the rule number 1. This rule same as the rule, same rule applying the equal to also. Okay, this is the rule number 1 and one more examples. Next rule number 2. Next to rule number 2. Both sides of an inequality. Both sides of an inequality can be multiplied can be multiplied or divided by the same positive number. Inequality can multiply, divide both sides of same positive number, both when the but when both sides are multiplied, both sides multiplied or divided by a negative number, then the sign of inequality, is reversed. What is the meaning of rule number 2? Both sides of inequality can be multiplied or divided by the same positive number, but when both sides are multiplied or divided by a negative number, then the sign of inequality is reversed. For example, 2x is equal to minus 2. 2x is equal to minus 2. 2x less than, for example, 2x less than minus 2. 2x less than minus 2. Multiply to both sides. So 2x into 2 less than 2 into 2, that is equal to 4x less than 4. Okay, ORR 2 less than 3. multiply 2. Multiply 2 means 2 into 2 less than 3 into 2. 2 into 2 is equal to 4 less than 6. Is it true or false? 2 less than 3 is true or false? True. 2 less than 3. 3 is bigger than the 2. Next, multiply with the positive number, any positive number. 2 into 2 both sides. 2 into 2 4 less than 6. Is true or false? True. So there is no change. When multiply or divide positive number multiply divide ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ sign ಏನು change ಆಗಲ್ಲ. ಯಾವಾಗ change ಆಗುತ್ತದೆ? Negative number. When the sign will be changed, multiply with the negative number. For example, same one. 2 less than 3. For example, 2 less than 3. Multiply minus 2 both sides. Multiply minus 2 both sides. Multiply minus 2 both sides means 2 into minus 2 less than 3 into minus 2. Minus 4 minus less than. Minus 4 less than minus 6. 2 less than 3 is true. 3 is bigger than the 2. Okay, this is true. Minus 4 less than minus 6 is true or false? False. Because of minus 4 is the bigger than the minus 6. Minus 6 ಕಿಂತ minus 4 ಹೆಚ್ಚು. 2 ಕಿಂತ 3 ಹೆಚ್ಚು. Positive number, in the positive number, bigger number is the big number, small number is small number. So in negative numbers, big number is the small number is the big number. So which one is minus 6 minus 4? Which one is the bigger number? Minus 2 minus 4, which one is big number? Minus 4 is a big number, minus 6 is the small number. Minus 4 is big number, minus 6 is small number. So minus 6 less than minus is true or false? False. Okay, so that's why multiply or divide negative number of the inequality, multiply both sides of inequality, that sign negative number, then the sign of inequality is reversed. For example, the same thing, 2 less than 3. 2 less than 3 multiply with minus 4 means minus 4 greater than minus 6. Minus 4 is greater than minus 6. Less than changes, reverse means what? Less than reverse greater than. Greater than reverse less than. Less than or equal to reverse greater than or equal to. Greater than or equal to reverse less than or equal to. Okay na? Clear? This is the second point, is second rule is very important one. Okay, both sides of inequality, any inequality negative number no multiply or divide ಮಾಡಿದ್ರಾ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತದೆ? ಆ ಸೈನು ರಿವರ್ಸ್ ಆಗುತ್ತದೆ. ಸೈನ್ ಏನು? ಲೆಸ್ ದ್ಯಾನ್ changes to greater than changes to less than or equal to, greater than or equal to changes to less than or equal to. Because of this is the example. What is the example? 2 less than 3 multiply minus 2 minus 4 less than minus 6 is not correct. So that's why okay, the sign will be reversed. So minus 4 less than minus 6 not correct. Less than is converted into greater than. Less one changes into greater than. The reverse of less than reverse greater than reverse less than or equal to reverse greater than or equal to reverse less than or equal to. Today class is very important class. Okay, so this is equal to, no problem, equal to multiply. Divide also, divide minus 1 no. For example, 2 less than 3 divide minus 1 both sides. 2 by minus 1 is equal to minus 2 less than 3 by minus 1 is equal to minus 3. Minus 2 less than minus 3 is correct? Wrong. Minus 2 greater than minus 3 is correct. That's why the sign will be changed. Okay, this is the second rule of the linear inequality. Next, algebraic solutions of linear inequality. Algebraic solutions of linear inequality. Algebraic solutions. Algebraic solutions of linear inequality. Algebraic solutions of linear inequality in one variable and their graphical representation. Linear inequality in one variable. Solution. What is the solution? Linear inequality solution. For example, For example, 30 into x less than 100. 30 into x less than 200. This is the which type of inequality? Strictly linear inequality, one variable. Linear inequality, one variable. So 30 into less than 200, the inequality. The inequality has how many solutions? The solutions of the given linear inequality. How to find out solutions? This is the binary. First, put x is equal to 0. Put x is equal to 0 means 30 into 0 less than 200. That implies 0 less than 200. Is true or false? True. Is true. Okay. Next, x is equal to 1. No. Put x is equal to 1. No. 30 into 1 less than 200. That implies 30 less than 200 is true. True enough? Is true or false? 200 is the more than 30. Next, put x is equal to 2. That implies 30 into 2 less than 200. So 30 into 2, 60 less than 200 is also true. Next, put x is equal to 3. That implies 30 into 3 less than 200. 33 is 90 less than 200 is true. So, put x is equal to 4. X is equal to 4 means 30 into 4 less than 200. 30 into 4 is equal to 120. 120 less than 200 is true. Next, put x is equal to 5. X is equal to 5. 30 into 5 is less than 200. 30 into 5 is equal to 150 less than 200 is true. Next, put x is equal to 6. X is equal to 6 means 30 into 6 less than 200. That implies 36, 180. 180 less than 200 is also true. Next, put x is equal to 7. X is equal to 7 means 30 into 7 less than 200. That is equal to 37. So 210 less than 200 is true or false? 200 is more than 210? Wrong. So is false. Stop the procedure. When the condition is fail, that time the procedure will be stopped. So what is the solution? The solution of linear inequality is what solution? 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. The given inequality, how many solutions? 7 solutions, 0 to 6. So you have to take negative value. For example, negative value, all negative value we have to satisfy, because 30 into x minus 1, 30 into minus 1, minus 30, minus 30 less than 200. All negative values will be satisfied. So in the positive integers, what is the solution set of all solution set is nothing but which elements? Positive integers. Positive integers, how many solutions? 7, 0 to 6, 7 solutions. This is the procedure of find out the solution of the given linear inequality. Okay, tomorrow some intervals, closed interval of a comma b, some intervals, and we'll go to the exercise. So today we have all are perfect. We have to perfect today class. Okay, thank you.